In darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
And so as you can see, I didn't want to take a chance before the first day of frost. There was snow 2 weeks ago, so I transferred all my crops from the greenhouse outside into the indoor greenhouse. And it did wonders with the LED light. And so as you can see, I have here the potatoes growing, and I have the avocado tree. Those who remember in my previous video, I was a seed, so now it's growing to a plant. There, and then we have here the beet tops, potato in the corner there as well. We got the peas going just below that, and then we have here more of the beets top and the garlic. So we'll see what happens. Just want to give you an update on the growth journey, and God bless. Thanks for watching. His pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner.